Now here we need to make W as the subject, right? They tell us to make W as subject. Now here you can see this completely right side we have square root sign, right? Here like this you have square root sign. Now to remove this square root sign, actually square root mean index. This is, we can write 1 over 2 as index. So that means when we learn BODMAS, sometimes we call as BIDMAS, I. So we need to do this something for this, right? Now here this index we need to remove. Now for example, think you know this stuff. Square root of 9, it is 3, right? You know. Now if you get both sides square like this, completely square, and this side is square. Now this square roots to square cut, so it will be 9. Here 3 square mean 9. Okay, that means we can do this, right? If you have square root sign, if we need to remove it, what we need to do? Put the square for both sides. Both side in the equation, left and right. Put square for both sides. Here also we need to do that. But there, here completely this right side. That's why I put bracket here, square, and this is here only we have s now on the left side, so I will put here square. Okay, now this is square root sign to square cut, so here we will have just x square, then here we have 3d w minus d, then over 8, right? Like this. Now how we decide what the thing we need to remove here? We need to basically we need to make only w in this side or this side, but let's try to make in this side, that means right side only w. Now that means I need to remove 8, 3d, and also this d. Okay, how to do this? Now here when you look here, this 8 connect with w only division, with the division this way, so we can remove this first. Now if you consider about 3d, it has here multiplication connection, here division, so that's why we will remove some basic idea here, not the exact what the connect with less amount of connections. Here 8, it has only one connection, here division, so we can remove this. It's like that. It's just a simple idea I need to tell you. So here to remove 8, what we need to do, here connect with this part, this is connect with division now, so we can multiply to remove it. Multiply 8, this side multiply with 8, this side also multiply with 8, then 8 to 8 cut. Here we will have 8s square, and here we will have 3d w minus d. Okay, now what I need to do? Now I need to remove this 3d. 3d between 3 and d we have multiplication now, so that's why we can think this as a one letter, one thing. When you have between two term multiplication or division, we can think as a one here when you apply the rules. So here 3d I need to remove, so 3d connect with this multiplication sign, here multiplication, so that's why I will divide both side by 3d. Here also divide by 3d. Okay, now 3 to 3d cut here. Here we will have w minus d. Now outside the bracket there's no anything now. You can think as 1. So that's why you don't need to put the brackets. Just you can write w minus d here. And here we will have 8s square over 3d. Okay, now last step we need to do. Now we have w here, w minus d I will bring to here. So it will be like this. Here minus d, when I bring to here it will be plus d. So here 8s square over 3d. But very carefully, when you bring this minus d to here, you need to put here plus d like this. Don't put here or something like that. Here minus d, when I bring to here it should be plus d, right? Then here only w. Okay, now we make w as subject. That's the idea to do this question.